Visual, dramatic zoom on a bottle of apple cider vinegar on a kitchen counter. Bold text. 12 health problems disappear. Voiceover. Seniors. What if I told you this little bottle of apple cider vinegar could help fight joint pain, support your memory, and even boost digestion? That's right, apple cider vinegar isn't just for salads anymore. In today's video, you'll discover 12 powerful ways ACV could improve your health. Backed by science and easy to follow at home. But don't overdo it. I'll also show you exactly how to use it safely. If you're serious about staying active, sharp, and healthy as you age, stay with me till the end. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us where you're watching from in the comments. Visual, elderly person rubbing knee, sipping ACV tonic, smiling and walking easily. ACV's natural anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce stiffness and swelling, especially in knees and hands. Just mix 1 tablespoon of ACV with warm water and honey and sip it once a day. Or try soaking in a vinegar bath to soothe sore muscles. It won't cure arthritis, but many seniors say they feel less achy after a week or 2. Blood sugar control. Visual, blood sugar monitor dropping, meal, ACV drink before eating. Struggling with high blood sugar? ACV might help. Several studies show it may lower post-meal spikes, especially in those with insulin resistance. Take 1 tablespoon diluted in water about 10 minutes before meals, but talk to your doctor first if you're on meds. It's a small habit with big potential to support metabolic health. Digestion support. Visual, animated stomach digesting, elderly enjoying a meal, bloating, gas, or sluggish digestion. ACV helps by increasing stomach acid levels, which can decline with age. This aids in better breakdown of food and nutrient absorption. Mix 1 teaspoon with warm water before a heavy meal to help things move smoothly. But avoid on an empty stomach. It may irritate. Oral health. Visual, person smelling bad breath, rinsing mouth, smiling with clean teeth. ACV fights oral bacteria and freshens breath, but be careful. Never drink it straight. Its acid can erode your enamel. Instead, gargle a heavily diluted mix, 1 teaspoon in a full cup of water, a few times a week. Always rinse with plain water afterward. It may help reduce plaque and keep your breath fresh. Immune boost and skin health. Visual, shield animation for immunity. Skin irritation relief with cotton pads soaked in ACV raw. Unfiltered ACV contains probiotics that support gut health, key for a strong immune system. Add 1 tablespoon to warm lemon water with honey for a morning immune tonic. And for itchy or inflamed skin, ACV's antibacterial properties can calm irritation. Use a 1.3 ratio with water as a toner or compress for itchy patches or mild eczema. Always do a patch test first. Constipation relief and weight support. Visual, elder walking comfortably. Scale showing slow, steady progress, constipated. The pectin in ACV may help regulate bowel movements naturally. Try 1 tablespoon in warm water in the morning. Many seniors report better regularity without harsh laxatives. Plus, ACV can make you feel fuller, longer. In one study, people who drank vinegar daily consumed fewer calories and lost more weight. It's no miracle, but it may support gradual healthy weight loss. Foot odor, fungus, and energy boost. 110 to 120 words. Visual, foot soak with vinegar. Energetic walk in the park. Melly feet or athlete's foot. Soak in a warm foot bath with 1 part ACV to 2 parts water for 15 minutes, a few times a week. It kills bacteria and neutralizes odor. And tired all the time? ACV's potassium and enzymes can help fight fatigue by balancing your internal pH. Add a splash to your water and see if your energy picks up naturally. Blood pressure and detox support. 110 to 120 words. Visual, blood pressure monitor stabilizing. Animated toxins leaving body. Animal research suggests acetic acid may help lower blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels. Though more human studies are needed, it's worth a try, especially when paired with a healthy lifestyle. ACV also supports gentle detox by helping your liver process toxins and aiding lymph flow. Just don't overdo it. Once daily is enough for most people. Who should be careful? Visual, doctor talking to patient. Warning icons for kidneys, reflux, meds. ACV is powerful, but not for everyone. Avoid if you have kidney problems, low potassium, acid reflux, or are pregnant. It can also interact with medications like diuretics or insulin. Always dilute it, never drink it straight, and speak with your doctor before starting a daily ACV habit. A little goes a long way. Closing thoughts and call to action. Visual, ACV bottle on sunny counter. Happy senior couple walking outdoors. So there you have it. 12 real ways apple cider vinegar can help you feel better, move easier, and age more comfortably. It's simple, affordable, and when used the right way, it works. Which benefit are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with a fellow senior. Your health is your power. Keep learning, keep growing, and we'll see you in the next video.